Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains three basic operations plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dance and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 20, B is 40, C is 60 and D is 80. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket which is 7 plus 3. We have to solve this one. It becomes 10. Multiply by raised to power 2 and multiply by 2 and divided by 8 multiply by 2. We will write here as it is because we will solve each step in each line. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved. Now we have to move forward for step number 2, which is exponent part or order of operation. So now we have a number which has the power which is 2 raised to power 2. So here we have 10 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 4. Multiplied by 2 and divided by 8 multiplied by 2 we will write here as it. And here we have to give the reference to raised to power 2 equals to 4. Now move forward. We have solved the exponent part as well. Now move forward for division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So the rule is same. If you are using the PAMDAS and BODMAS, the rule is same. You have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming. So now we have 10 multiplied by 4. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS rule. We have same solution. Like we have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. So now this time 10 multiplied by 4 which is 40 multiplied by 2 and divided by 8 multiplied by 2 here. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 10 multiplied by 4 equals to 40. Now move forward. We have to go again left to right. Until now, we have solved all multiplication and division. So now this time we have 40 multiplied by 2. So we have to solve this one, which it becomes 80. And divided by 8 multiplied by 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 40 multiplied by 2 equals to 80. Now, this time we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now this time we have division sign. So either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS, you have to follow same rule. You have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. Now this time we have 80 divided by 8, it becomes 10 multiplied by 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 80 divided by 8 equals to 10. Now we have two terms which are multiplying each other. We will we will multiply these two terms and get the answer is 20. So the answer of the given expression is 20. If you see the answer list, answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.